Hi guys, today I want to show you the sequins fabric, how it's to work with it. And depends on the sequins, it can be easy to work with, like this kind of fabric. Then we have big disc sequins on this fabric, and it's not stretchable. And then we have also these kind of sequences. Then I started working on this dress draping, so this shouldn't be any problem to sew because as you can see it's not close, so it's space empty, and where I should work I can take off some of these. And then here is finished blouse, and then we have also these kind of sequences. They're a little bit more close. In the nap, it goes in one direction and it's stretchable. You can use it for anything, pillowcases, dresses, clutch bags. So this is also one of the sequences we have.